I've had a lot of questions lately about how to print on envelopes, specifically for Christmas cards. So today I'm going to do a quick tutorial on how to do that. We're starting from scratch with only a CSV file that has your contacts. We're going to go to Word. We're going to open a new Word document and we're going to click Mailings to start a mail merge. We're going to click Start Mail Merge and then Envelopes, and then you're going to choose the size of envelopes. So you do need to know what size of envelopes you have. A B6 is about a 5x7. It's pretty standard card envelope size. And then we're going to click Select Recipients and use an existing list. I have created just a sample list here. So find your list, open. Mine looks a little funny, but yours should look better than this, and then just click OK. And then our next step is if you want to print your return address, you would just write it up here in the corner. I'm just making one up. And then I'm going to make it pretty. I'm going to use this font because I like it, make it a little bit bigger. And then we're going to find the box and click in it. You can kind of see the perimeter of the box. We click Address Block and then click Match Fields. And mine did a pretty good job of matching the fields. I'm going to check the box to remember and click OK. Then I'm going to click Preview Results so I can actually see my names. I'm going to highlight it all, and then this is how I'm going to change the font. So I have it set for 12. I'm going to center. I'm going to make it a little bit bigger. I'm going to adjust my screen here so I can see it full size. I'm just going to start playing with it and putting it where I want it. It is a little bit fickle, so you got to make sure you keep your full address in there. So once I get it where I want it, then, and I'm happy, then click through, everybody looks pretty good, and then I'm going to click Finish and Merge. And then I always click Edit Individual Documents so that I can see everybody, and then I export from there. I did that really fast, so I'm going to do that again. So I'm just going to click File, Export, Export PDF, name it something, and name it Xmas envelopes, and publish. And then this publishes it to a PDF. So now we have our PDF in Adobe. Click the printer icon, and we're going to click Properties. See how this preview screen is kind of messed up? That's not what you really want it to look like. That would be too small and off center. So we click Properties. If you have color, this is where you would change the color in the first tab, but we're going to go straight to basic. We have to select our paper size, which we figured out was a B6, which is a roughly 5x7. We want to change the paper tray to bypass tray, and then the paper type to envelope. And then now we're clicking through, we can see it looks pretty good. And then we click Print. And then this is my sample, and this is what it looks like. It came out pretty good. And we just want to make sure when you put your paper in the bypass tray, it is face down in the upright position. So your top of your envelope would be, so top would be the top. And that's it. If you have any questions, you know where to find me.